Hi and good morning everybody. So we are on our way to the zoo today. Yay! So I took the day off of work and I decided, because my son, he's in spring break right now, so I was like, okay, I need to take advantage and take him to the zoo for spring break so that he could go back to school and let his friends know that, you know, he did something over the spring break. Yeah, I got everything ready this morning, got myself ready, got the two kids ready. We have our little snackaroonies for the day. I popped the yogurts in the freezer so that by lunchtime it should
I got some snacks in here
unfreeze. Yeah, Ian has this little snack pack in his backpack. As far as lunch goes, we're gonna eat at the place. I don't know what they serve, so I guess we'll figure it out as we go. I didn't want to pack anything because I don't know, I didn't feel like it. But I have my little Olivia Rodrigo, it's brutal out here, bucket hat that I thrifted for only $1. Can you guys believe I thrifted this for $1? It's Olivia Rodrigo. Olivia Rodrigo. We're gonna be on our way right now. I just need to go get gas, grab a water bottle because we don't have any water bottles, and then we'll be on our way. It's 9:15. They open at 10, so it should give us just enough time to get there. But first things first, we're gonna go get some gas.
Okay.
It's a 55-minute drive right now. Ugh, that's horrible. Okay, you guys, I'm so annoyed with this freeway. I've gotten in and out of the freeway 2-3 times already because my GPS does not tell me. There's like 3 freeways that split and my GPS does not tell me which freeway I'm supposed to be taking, so I've had to get off and get back on. I feel like I'm in a continuous, like, infinite loop that I can't get to the freaking zoo. So we're not lost, but I'm very annoyed because the time keeps going up. We were supposed to get there at 10:30. It's 10:26 right now, and now it says that we're gonna get there at 10:41. So going right back onto the freeway again. Hopefully we can get there this time. I'm so annoyed. We finally made it.
We are here.
You can kind of see it. It's all the way over there. LA Zoo. So we have officially made it to the zoo. She took a little nap, so she's ready to go have some fun. Now we got to get everybody off this car.
My
Put on my little
stretcher.
I know, I need a stretch too. Put my little bucket hat on. She also has a little bucket hat.
She's so cute.
She also has a little bucket hat. It's a little dinged up. But yeah. The backpack, and let's get ready to go. Backpack.
Alright.
Hi, my little girl. Oh, are you excited? She just woke up from right now. Thank you, my little boy.
You're welcome.
We did stop by at the gas station to get some gas, and we got some more snacks for the day.
Opened it up.
Thank you. Oh, let's get at least small.
This feels like a YouTube video from a YouTuber I used to watch
Oh, really?
when I was like 4 at least.
Wow. LA Zoo. Got everybody ready to go. Let's go, you.
Let's go. There's a lot of school buses here. see the giraffe? There's a giraffe.
You guys look so cute. Okay, let's go.
So we officially made it in the zoo, and we're going up this bridge. And yes, I am the cameraman now.
This is the paw of Ian.
Yes. Oh look, waterfall. Let's get a quick look at that. Very nice. Let's go. It's a log. Oh, okay. We gotta go up these stairs.
Well, we gotta go up the ramp because we have a stroller.
Oh, okay. Literally smelly.
There it is.
Wow, he's so fast.
Yeah. There's an alligator.
Oh wow,
There's another one. Where's it going? There's two.
So I have never been to the zoo before, so we don't really have a plan, and this is going to be Ian's paw of everything that he captures. So any clips that you see of any of the animals, it's going to be this guy. He's the cameraman. And this little girl, she's just in it for the ride. So let's go and see what we can find. Again.
Yippee! Guys, do you see that meerkat over there?
Move it, move it! Can you move it anymore?
Look at him.
It's not moving.
Oh,
Why can't they just jump over?
I saw you in the Look at that, there's some flamingos. Flamingos. The flamingos. Mr. Flamingo. There's a bunch right here. Hi.
Where's my other?
He's so cute. Look at them. She's more interested in her strawberry.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
You know, he's just there on the floor.
He's having a nap. Oh, this one's actually...
He's like shoved in his feathers.
That's what flamingos do to get rest.
They shove themselves in their feathers?
Yeah, look, like that one. That's how they sleep.
Oh, really?
Yes.
There's a bunch of them over there.
Yeah,
Pretzels.
pretzels. All right, let's
Cotton
go.
candy looking pretzels.
Yes. His name is Geki. Auntie Cheese. Come here. Water geckos.
Come look for the gecko.
Can I get a shot of this? Shot of it.
Come look for the gecko.
There's water geckos. Look at that. It's a snake. You see him up there?
What's the snake?
What do you guys think? There he is.
We have made it into the reptile amphibian exhibit. Ian's really loving this. He has a salamander plushie at home and he calls it Sammy. It's really cool.
Look, there's a snake right here. Here. He's big.
I don't even know if I'm actually.
Look at this turtle.
Over here.
You should disease.
Look, Ellie.
Turtle.
Nolan, look.
Guys, look at this little guy. He's poking his head out. Guys, look at the snake. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. He's so cute. He's heading towards me. He's so curious. Look at that.
That's awesome.
There's a snake right here. It's on this side though. It's over here. I don't really see anything. You see him? Do you guys see him? He's like a little circle right there. Look at that! A snake! Hey, dark focus.
Sure.
What the heck is that?
Look at him go. There's a little turn. What
is that?
Too.
He's in here.
This is an Indian. Right next to
I think
him.
there's
He's like so skinny.
Look, there's one right there. There's one. He's on shore.
He looks like a log.
Do you guys see them? Way over there.
Our camera is gonna die soon. I thought I had charged it last night. Turns out I didn't. So we're gonna be switching over to my phone pretty soon after my camera dies.
Alrighty.
Ellie.
Butterfly. Look at that. It's a koala. That's pretty cool, guys. I'm gonna go
Going up to the gorillas.
gorilla.
Oh, it says Western Lowland Gorilla. Some of you guys have seen spot the
There's a
gorilla.
squirrel.
That's not a gorilla.
The gorilla's right there. You're in the wrong exhibit, buddy.
Okay. Well, we have made it to the elephants, but there's no elephants. Only this one. I'm just kidding. They built like a really pretty like Chinese looking situation here. But I think they're inside. It's really hot, so I wouldn't assume that they would be outside. Right, Ellie? You want another cracker? She's just the snack queen right now.
You need pennies and like quarters or some shit. What happened? They let me off for a little bit. This. After she said that, she was like, "Oh, I gotta continue."
Picture of the elephant in the back. Oh my gosh. Ready? Hold on. He's a pretty big elephant right there.
So it's actually pretty big here. I didn't think it was gonna be that big. We're tired. I don't know what time it is. My phone's in my backpack. But we're gonna stop right now to go get something to eat. Because I think
hungry.
yes, everybody's getting hungry. This one keeps wanting snacks, so I just know that she's hungry. We're gonna find a place to eat. Supposedly there's a playground over here, so I might let her run around for a little bit, relax a bit. Let's see if we can find this something to eat. Okay guys, so we are sitting here now finally. We got some food, ordered pizza, a grilled cheese for this little one. And do you want to go back up to the playground or you want to keep looking at the animals?
Playground.
Okay, so we're gonna walk up to the playground again. It's a pretty far walk to even here, but I think we might have the energy again to go back up. Just so this one can have her energy run down a little bit. Because look at her, she is squirming. But yeah, we're gonna eat our food and then go play. And then go play. I got Ellie tater tots, a Godzilla. Ian got pepperoni pizza. He's gonna put Parmesan. 2 pieces are mine and 2 pieces are for you, okay?
Okay.
And then I got my hot fries in there. I'm starving.
Of our lives.
Yeah, but she's eating her little cucumbers.
She likes cucumbers.
I don't know, we'll see if she likes it. But it's very refreshing, that's for sure.
Would you like your side with parmesan?
No, I'm okay.
Daniela, go ahead. I'll watch the kids. I'll watch them.
I'm a mess. Everyone's having Ellie fun.
we're here at the playground. Ian's over there playing. So I think we're gonna just stay here for a little bit more. And then we're gonna go look at a couple more animals and then go home. But we just finished having lunch. We walked here. So we could let this one have some energy out and the other one too. Okay, so we are done with the plays. We're just gonna go find a restroom because I need to change Ellie's diaper. And then we're gonna look at a couple more animals. It's currently 1:30, I think I said that. And we're gonna look at a couple more animals and then we will head on home. Thinking around like 3 o'clock. We'll probably start heading around home so that we can have dinner, relax, and then go back to work tomorrow. But yeah, they had lots of fun at the little play area. It really took the little one's energy out, which is what I wanted. So, mission completed. Oh, okay, let's go find a restroom. Yep, made it to the gift shop. Let's see what Ian can find. He has some money, so he wants to check it out. We'll go on this one first and see if we can find anything. I'm like really tired. My legs are tired and I still have to drive an hour home in this LA traffic. If it's even an hour home, might be an hour and a half, who knows. There's a whole array of stuffed animals, which is what Ian really likes. Is that a little wolf? Yeah. Oh, he's so cute.
You want that one better?
There's a sloth.
He's cute too. Oh look, see look, it was the same thing as the other one. We made it to the other side of the marketplace. He's trying to choose what exactly he wants. Found what he wanted, a little Taylor Swift. Officially ended our day. Ian bought a snake. It was $30 for a snake. But we're gonna be heading on home. So tired. Okay, so we have officially made it home now. It's around 3:30. It took an hour to get home. Ellie's asleep. She just took her second nap, so we're just gonna go upstairs and relax for a bit, and then we'll see what the rest of the day brings. But as far as this vlog goes, this is where it ends. So thank you guys so much for coming with us to the LA Zoo, and I hope you had fun watching this little vlog. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next time. Bye.